middle of a pandemic. That being said, I hope you and your loved ones are healthy and safe, or will be so in the near future.
I am Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa is I. Hi, how are you? So, today I become the Mona Lisa, one of the world's most famous paintings. By the end of this video, I will be her, she will be me. You won't be able to tell the difference. I have identified 4 major tasks that I need to undertake in order to transform me from my current position as not the Mona Lisa into my future position as the Mona Lisa. So these 4 areas are: 1. The background. 2. The clothes. 3. The pose. The way she is sitting. And 4, and possibly the most important, her smile. Her half smile, her partial smile, her smiles. Whatever it is that you believe she is doing with her face, I need to figure that out. So let's get into it.
Number 1, the background. So originally I was going to paint a backdrop, but I thought about it, I deliberated, I realized how much paint, how much canvas, time, an incredible amount of time it would take for me to do that. So because I value my sanity, because I value my sanity, I'm not going to do that. Instead, I am going to paint it on an A3 sized piece of canvas and then edit it into the background post-production. So yay.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture, I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso, she brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that, just hold me down like that.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, yeah.
So number 2, the clothes. So I have a couple of images that I'm referencing right now. So that is what I'm going to be using for the colors, both for the background and the items of clothing that I'm about to present to you.
So I've dug through my closet, and we'll start with the top. So I have this. This, to me, is more reminiscent of the neckline she's wearing and using the embroidery. So that's what we're going to use for the top. I don't like red and green combined, but she is wearing a red top, or the sleeves are red, and they look a little bit like satin, or there's some shiny fabric, it seems. This is the only long sleeve red shiny thing I have, so we're going to figure out how to make it work. Now, the third thing is the shawl, the cloth cover up that she has. So I hit the mother load, the jackpot. I found these downstairs, and they are sheer. I'm happy about this situation. This is really working in my favor.
So this is the top situation. So I managed to hide the collar.
So I figured something out. I don't know how to explain what has happened here to you, but I've basically laid this down, hold it back, and safety pinned it, and then brought this forward so it lays like that.
Number 3, the pose. This chair is the closest thing I have to what she's sitting on.
She's sitting like this. Have a smile.
Nailed it!
Number 4. This smile.
I don't know how this is gonna go.
So her smile is straight on one side, and that would be this side. I would describe it as a side farthest away from you. And then this side that is closer to you, her smile is curved upwards. I don't know how she's doing that. I don't know if that was a creative liberty that was taken, but I have to figure that out. That is how to do it. I really don't know. I don't know. Silly. I might not smile at all, honestly.
So for the rest of the video, I'll be using pictures to describe the remainder of the process. So I took the photos, nearly 50 to be exact. Here are my top 7. Here's the one that I picked. So if you look at my painting of the background, the porch section is small. So when I overlaid my image, it looked like I was falling off the balcony edge. So I went into Autodesk Sketchbook and extended the background at the bottom so that there was more porch for my image to sit on top of. Then I removed the white background of the image of me. I used the website remove.bg to do this. The free version of this website ruins the quality, but I didn't have any other way to do it. I then used PixArt to lay the image of me on top of my painted background. And this is where I ran into some aesthetic problems. So it didn't look quite right. I'll put an image on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. The two images didn't merge well. They didn't sit well together. And it was a massive headache for me. At that point, I felt like my only option was to paint myself onto the canvas, but I didn't want to do that. So instead, I downloaded this random app that puts filters on images and that's supposed to make them look like paintings. I put my already edited image through it and voila! It fixed the aesthetic problem. The images merged better together and they looked like one piece. So here's the final product. Here is my reference. Here is my final product. Reference. Final product. Reference. Final product. As promised, you can't tell the difference, right? So I'm a strong believer that how well you think something turned out in the end is solely dependent on how high your expectations were in the beginning. So if you don't like the final outcome, your expectations were way too high. I hope you enjoyed this process. I do want to mention that I want to redo this project in the future when I have more paint, canvas, and time, but for now, this is okay. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, check out my other social media platforms, possibly share this video, and all that good stuff that helps support creators on this platform. Stay clean, safe, and healthy. Until next time.
We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.